Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Arcade1UP situation in Canada. Let's get started. So if you are a fellow Canadian, you probably feel the same pain as me. Arcade1UP cabinets are very expensive in Canada, and also availability is very limited. So in the States, these cabs are listed at retail for $299.99. In Canada, they're listed at $399.99. 1UP Arcade availability is only through Walmart in Canada. You cannot get it at EB Games or GameStop or anywhere else. It's gotta be Walmart. Now, you can get it online or in store. The problem is, in store, availability is really limited, and sometimes, more often than not actually, it's very scarce. So you can see here, this is the walmart.ca website. And on this website, you can see that we are missing some of the 1UP Arcade offerings. So all we have available in Canada right now is Pac-Man, Street Fighter 2, Centipede, Asteroids, and Rampage. All of the other ones, as of this moment, are either available in store and not online, which is extremely rare, if not next to impossible to ever find, or they're just US exclusives currently. And you can also see the prices in Canada are considerably higher. The cheapest cab is the Pac-Man cab at $329.96. On top of that, the riser is coming in at $70. In fact, if you take a look at the 1UP Arcade website, you see Space Invaders, Karate Champ, Final Fight, Mortal Kombat, and Golden Tee. We get none of these. Now, I haven't seen the original 1UP Arcade machines in stock in my local Walmart in quite some time. So I went there and asked them, are you getting any more 1UP Arcades in stock? The first person I asked in the electronics section had no idea what 1UP Arcades were. When they asked a manager, the manager says, no, they are not getting any more 1UP Arcade machines in stock. And heading over into the Arcade1UP Reddit page, other people from Canada are experiencing the same thing. So other people have went into Walmart or contacted them via their Facebook page or Twitter, and Walmart's response has been the same. Now, a few people went a step further and asked people who may have some inside knowledge on what's going on. So Toshin says here on Twitter, hey, can you ping your Arcade1UP sources and figure out the situation for us Canada folk and Wave 2? We've been dry since not even seeing Space Invaders. And this is the response he got. Canada, UK, Australia, etc., thank you for your support and the desire to get our product. We truly appreciate it. Here are the hurdles and solutions and actions being taken. Retail prices. We want to make sure that with the added cost of certain exchange rates and distribution outlets, that the product is still brought in at a retail that is close to USA as possible, which we know is $100 more. In 2018, we worked with a toy distributor who elected to have Walmart as the exclusive partner in Canada. If you want to see goods at Walmart Canada, use your voices and tell them the customer dictates. Call the Walmart home offices and tell them. Do the same with Best Buy, GameStop, Costco, Canada, etc., etc. Your voice is your best asset. Don't you think we want to sell? You are the customers. Tell the retailers what you want and you will get it guaranteed. And then the last part of this response, I will assure you that the product will be available for Canadian residents by year's end at latest. We are exploring some alternate distribution partnerships, and what I will assure you is that there will be product for your market. So in a complete nutshell, to sum everything up, it looks like Walmart's not really stocking the stuff anymore. If you want Walmart to stock the stuff in Canada, you will have to call them. And honestly, one call, one phone call, two phone calls probably won't make a difference. But if the entire Arcade1UP community as a whole starts calling Canadian retailers, well, Walmart, and asks for these products, then there is a much better chance that Walmart will start selling them again. And on top of that, the owner of Arcade1UP guarantees that they will be stocking these in Canada somewhere at some point this year. Alternatively, if you are in a rush to own one of these things, you can always be like this Reddit user here. Had to drive from Toronto to Buffalo to make it happen, approximately 2 hours each way, but he has his cabinet. And that's all I've got for today, so if you liked the video, leave a like. If you didn't like the video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos, and if you have an Arcade1UP cabinet, let me know in the comments below. I don't own one yet, however I will say yet, because they are very, very interesting. Thank you everyone, take care.